there. Today, I want to share a touching story about a boy named Sam. Sam grew up in a small village, nestled among rolling hills and green fields. His family was very poor, but they were full of love. Sam's father worked as a farmer, and his mother stayed home to take care of him. Sam was a bright and cheerful boy, always ready to help his parents and always curious about the world. Sam loved playing with his friends in the village, climbing trees, and swimming in the river. He was also a very kind and helpful boy. If anyone in the village needed help, Sam was always there. His friends admired his bravery and generosity. But despite his happy nature, life was not easy for Sam and his family. But life took a sad turn when Sam was just 8 years old. His father fell seriously ill. He had a disease called tuberculosis. It's a sickness that affects the lungs and makes it hard to breathe. Despite their best efforts, they couldn't afford the medicine. Sam watched helplessly as his father's condition worsened. The coughs became more frequent and severe. Sam's father, once strong and robust, grew weaker by the day. One rainy night, as thunder echoed in the sky, Sam's father passed away. Sam was heartbroken. He lost his role model, his protector. The village mourned with Sam and his mother, but the pain was immense. Sam couldn't understand why such a terrible thing had happened to his family. He felt a deep emptiness inside. After his father's death, Sam's mother had to work even harder. She took on many small jobs like cleaning houses, washing clothes, and sometimes even working in the fields. She was determined to give Sam a better life. Every night, she would come home tired, but she always had a smile for Sam. She would help him with his schoolwork and tell him stories to make him laugh. One evening, as they sat under the starry sky, Sam's mother told him about his father's dreams for him. "Your father wanted you to be educated, to have a better life," she said. "You must work hard in school, Sam. It's the only way to fulfill his dream." Sam nodded, feeling a renewed sense of purpose. One day, Sam noticed that his mother looked very tired and pale. She tried to hide it, but soon she became very sick. She couldn't work anymore, and Sam had to take care of her. This was a big challenge for a boy so young. Sam felt scared and alone. He didn't know what to do. As days passed, his mother's condition worsened. She developed a high fever and was often too weak to get out of bed. Sam tried his best to keep the house running. He would fetch water from the well, cook simple meals, and clean the house. He missed his mother's laughter and stories. The house felt cold and empty without her warmth. Sam had to grow up fast. He started doing small jobs to earn money. He would carry water for neighbors, clean their yards, and even try to sell fruits in the market. But it was never enough. His mother needed medicine, and they couldn't afford it. Sometimes Sam would go to bed hungry just to make sure his mother had something to eat. Sam faced many problems. He was often tired from working all day and then coming home to take care of his mother. He missed his father terribly and felt the weight of the world on his young shoulders. His schoolwork began to suffer, and he felt like he was failing in every aspect of life. One evening, as he was selling fruits at the market, he overheard some villagers talking about a healer who lived in the next village. They said the healer had cured many people with her herbal medicines. Sam's heart leaped with hope. He decided he would find this healer and ask for help. The next morning, Sam set out early to find the healer. The journey was long and tiring. He had to walk through dense forests and cross a fast-flowing river. As he walked, he thought about his mother and how much she meant to him. He couldn't give up. He had to find a way to help her. After hours of walking, Sam finally reached a healer's village. He found the healer's house and knocked on the door. An elderly woman with kind eyes opened the door. "How can I help you, child?" she asked. Sam explained his mother's condition and pleaded for her help. The healer listened patiently and then nodded. "I will help you," she said, "but you must promise to follow my instructions carefully." The healer gave Sam a bundle of herbs and instructed him on how to prepare the medicine. She also gave him some food and a warm blanket. "These herbs will help your mother," she said. "But remember, love and care are the best medicines. Take good care of her, and she will recover." Sam thanked the healer and hurried back home. The journey back seemed shorter, as he was filled with hope. When he reached home, he prepared the medicine as the healer had instructed and gave it to his mother. He also made sure she ate well and rested. Every day, he would sit by her side, holding her hand and telling her stories to keep her spirits up. Meanwhile, the village headman had heard about Sam's struggles. He visited Sam's home and saw the condition they were in. Moved by Sam's determination and bravery, he decided to help. He organized a village meeting and asked everyone to contribute. The villagers donated food, money, and other necessities. They also took turns helping Sam with the chores. With the community's support, Sam was able to focus more on his mother's care and his studies. His mother's condition slowly improved. She regained her strength and was soon able to sit up and talk. Seeing his mother get better filled Sam with joy and relief. It was a small miracle, made possible by love, determination, and the kindness of the community. As his mother recovered, Sam realized how much he had grown through this experience. He had become more responsible, compassionate, and resilient. He continued to work hard in school, determined to fulfill his father's dream. His teachers noticed his dedication and began to help him with his studies. Sam also became a source of inspiration for other children in the village. They saw how he had faced his challenges with courage and never gave up. Sam would often share his story with them, encouraging them to stay strong and hopeful, no matter what difficulties they faced. One sunny morning, Sam's mother was able to get out of bed and walk around the house. She smiled at Sam and said, "Thank you, my brave boy." Sam's heart soared with happiness. All the hard work, the sleepless nights, and the worries seemed to melt away. He was just happy to see his mother well again. As life slowly returned to normal, Sam's mother began working again. But she took on lighter tasks, ensuring she didn't strain herself too much. Sam continued to help with the household chores and managed to balance his studies and responsibilities. This story of Sam teaches us many valuable lessons. It shows us the power of love, courage, and community. Even in the toughest times, Sam never gave up. He showed that no matter how difficult life gets, there is always hope. His story reminds us to be kind and help others whenever we can. We never know what someone else might be going through. Sam's journey also highlights the importance of resilience and determination. When faced with challenges, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and lose hope. But Sam's story shows that with perseverance and the support of loved ones, we can overcome even the most difficult situations. Thank you for listening to Sam's story. I hope it touched your heart as much as it touched mine. Remember, no matter how hard life gets, always be brave and never lose hope. And don't forget to help those in need. Together, we can make the world a better place. Let Sam's story be a reminder that we're stronger than we think. And with love and kindness, we can face any challenge that comes our way. If you liked the video about how I adapted to life in the big city from a small town, please watch this video. See you in the next video.